passive transport.
Imagine that Jacob, Jack, and Joe are oxygen molecules that want to get in the cell to make sure the cell can function right. They can easily cross through the cell membrane and diffuse into the cell.
For facilitated diffusion, large molecules like glucose need the help of a channel protein to pass through the cell membrane. Welcome, glucose.
For osmosis, water also needs to go through a channel protein to get into the cell, but it gets in much easier than other large molecules.
In all the examples of passive transport, the molecules go from a high concentration to a low concentration.
Active transport.
Exocytosis is the process of moving large molecules out of the cell and requires lots of ATP energy. The cell membrane wraps around the molecule and forces it out of the cell.
Endocytosis is the process of bringing large molecules into the cell using ATP energy. White blood cells use a type of endocytosis called phagocytosis to engulf large molecules, or in this case, a pathogen, into the large white blood cell. The pathogen is then killed by the white blood cell.
Pinocytosis is used by unicellular organisms to take in nutrients dissolved in fluids.
But active and passive?
Let's close off this membrane.
Think of phagocytosis as eating, and pinocytosis as drinking.
Notice how much effort active transportation takes? Both unicellular and multicellular organisms can use all of these models and then use both active and passive transport. All types of cells need to be able to absorb nutrients and other things, as well as excrete waste.
Jack has been running very hard, and through biofeedback, he starts to sweat to cool down his body.
Jack is now thirsty, as the fluids in his body are getting low. The water he is drinking goes through the blood and is spread intercellular through osmosis.
Once the water enters my cells, intracellular processes use the water to maintain cell function. These are my cells functioning.